Greetings, dope, hot and fresh. Welcome to our garden.
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.
This is Owethu Mzinyane representing garden yase Bethal. We actually don't have a name for it. Started a project last year in May, and this is Phendura Gibson.
Mzinyane Gibson Phendura. From Zimbabwe.
Yeah, this guy is the one who inspired me and my friend, who is unfortunately not here today.
Igama lakubani?
Igama lakhe Keith wakanhlapho.
Okay. So you're saying when did you start this project?
We started this project last year, or May.
May. Okay.
Yeah.
What inspired you to come and do this gardening as young people?
Well, the inspiration for me was reggae music. The reggae music, like the lyrics would tell us to plant our own food, like eat what you plant what you eat. Yeah, that was the inspiration. And then I met this guy who was more into commercial farming. He was like making money of it, you see. And then, yeah, from there we decided to go to this guy Thomas and ask for this place so we can use it for cultivation.
Okay.
Unfortunately, he said yes.
I'm sure you said to learn from Thomas.
Who owns this land?
Who owns this land?
The owner of this land is the SAP. SAPS. Yeah, SAPS. It was actually supposed to be used for community service and all that. Marage, now we decided to use it to generate some source of income. Yeah.
So, generating the source of income, do you think during the project, does it keep you guys away from committing crime or not?
Yeah, definitely it does, because most of the time we're here and we literally have no time to think about all we think about is planting more and tilling the soil. Yeah.
So I heard you saying you've got your mentor here. So then, are you also a chance to be alone?
Yeah, here's the funny part. We actually started as a group. Yeah. And then he decided ukuthi umuntu nomuntu akabe nespace sakhe, so we can actually grow as individuals. You understand? So I would say usizile ngalokho, because now we were actually able to man up and take a stand.
All right, before you said your name is Gibson, right?
Yes.
So I just want to check now ukuthi like le ndawo le ukuthi ibe so, because ngiyabona the soil is fertile. Niyenze ngani ukuthi ibe fertile so?
Sifake imquba.
Okay.
Sifake imquba wenkomo, yeah.
All right. So then ukusebenzisa le nto le lo mquba like vele yiyo vele yenza le soil ukuthi ibe so fertile, rather than buying fertilizers from dealerships.
Yes, because the fertilizer iyamosha ama-plants amanye agcina ayababa manje le masifaka imcuba siyenza ukuthi ibe lama-plants wethu angabe nama-problem. Yeah.
Okay, lana ngiyabona nitshale ispinach, ni specialize ngespinach kuphela, or there are some vegetables that you planting as well?
Yeah, sizofaka amanye ama-plants but still siyaqala manje sifuna ukubona ukuthi ama-plants azokhona ukuthi azovumelana nale soil le. Ngabona lapho sifake ama-green pepper, lapho kunama-green pepper siyabona ukuthi ayavuma, lapha sifake ama-tomato siyabona ukuthi ayavuma. Manje this coming season sizozama ukuthi si-mixe ukuthi because sesifunde ukuthi le mhlabathi wethu uyavuma ama-plants wonke. Yeah.
So then we want to know ukuthi this spinach senu yasibona si-fresh. Asisebenzise any fertilizers except
asisebenzise any chemical. Asisebenzise any chemical.
It's organic farming.
This is organic farming. Yes.
So then after harvesting, or like during the time of harvesting, like nisebenzele elo eswini or niyathengisa and all that, how do you guys make money out of it?
Siya supplier, ama street vendor, and I actually do it door to door. Yeah.
Ndamanye sometimes kulabanye babogogo bathengisa lapha e-street siyabanikeza free. Siwathengisele sometime. Yes.
Right, coming to the issue of donating. So if there is a drop-in center, or there are people that need something, let's say bafuna spinach and nikona lana, then if the person adula lana, then atwele, so do you give that person, or nyamthethisa kuqala, because bakhona abanye abathethisana phela?
I know automatically umuntu makacela siyamnikeza.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi lo muntu uyacela uyafuna siyamnikeza.
Yeah, siyabasiza nalaba badinga.
Baningi badlula lapha bacela spinach siyabanikeza. Mala lo wathi ngifuna ukuthenga siyamthengisela, wathi ngiyafuna spinach akunamali siyabanikeza. Labo gogo baningi badlula lapha siyabanikeza ama spinach.
Then another thing, the equipment that nisebenzisa, the garden tools, are they yours or have they been sponsored by someone?
It's ours.
Yeah, ish, and I think naloko kunokusibhayizisa kancane because
yes, sure.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes didinga laba labor manje asikhona ukuthola lama tools ukuthi.
Yeah.
But I think this year since sakona kulima kahle maybe zokhona ukuthi sithenge lama tools. Diskona ukuthola labor izosisiza la.
So njoba wena uyi-mentor, when did you start agriculture, farming and stuff? Interest iqale nini kuwe?
I iqale 1990.
1990.
Yes, when I was grade 3.
Okay.
Yeah, baba wami nguye wasifundisa, he was a farmer.
Okay.
Wasifundisa kulima, besivuka ekseni before singahambe esikolweni. Besibalela lamabhedi lapha engadini. Kuthi mawungama uqeda kunisela amabhedi akwayi3 uyahamba uyogeza uhambela esikolweni. Then from there ngafunda ukuthi hayi ukuziyenzela lo msebenzi ukuziyenzela ngiyakhona ukuphila nawo, rather than ukuthi ngilinde ukuthi kuthole umsebenzi, ngilinde government ukuthi isicreate ama jobs, but sinezandla sikona ukusebenza.
So tell us more, since you are a youth usesemncane, did you finish your matric, went to university, or what happened in the ones you decided to uzoqala le farming la?
I completed a matric, I think it was 2017, and unfortunately abazali bami bebanganamali ukuthi bangimekise to university or college, so I just decided ukuthi kunokuthi ngihlale ngcono ngenze something positive. Yeah.
So what can you say to youth enye abanye bahlele emakhaya, because mhlamba kunayimali emakhaya zokuyobafundisa abahleli, ngoba advise ubathi uthini?
or advise the youth ukuthi be dependent on a government or abazali because amakhaya awafani, so they should take initiative. Baphande la ngaphandle there are a lot of opportunities abangawathatha and nje munengi umhlaba ohleli, and I think abantu abaningi manje sebabona ngathi i-farming abelungu or ayinamali, but i-advice yami ukuthi ikhona imali ku-farming and black people should get into it senze imali. So
lana yini ngibalela nje zonke izinto enizifamayo eninazo la manje.
Well, as you can see, majority esitshalayo spinach, but then khona amatamati, khona pelepele, khona green pepper, and then khona irepu, khona ikovo. Yeah, I think that's about it.
So njoba kuyindawo evulekile la noma ngabe iseduze ku police station anhlangabezana nokuthi mhlawumbe uthole okunye izinto sebafikile bakhelela lana abazikhelela abantu basisiza kule ngadi yenu.
Yo, so facile lawo ma difficulties, especially kulo nyaka lo. Last year ubugebengu bekungekho kakhulu, mara I think abantu bathe mababona ukuthi le ndawo akusiye ibosho okusiya se police station, that's when abantu abanengi sebaqala batshontsha, and besinokufika ebusuku lana sizopatrola like sihlale lapha esihlahleni until late because besibona ukuthi labantu laba bafika ebusuku, but azange sibathole unfortunately. And then this other day kwenzeka ukuthi tholakala umuntu la emini atshontsha, and then samvulela icala, yeah, bamvalela, but ever since that day azange sabuya.
So njengoba bekuloku mhlambe abantu bazikhele affecta kangakanani ngoba obvious mantshalile niba ne target yenu ukuthi okay niyazi ukuthi mhlambe i-royalties niyakwazi ukufeed abantu abangawo senibalile ukuthi spinach esingaka ni estimate ukuthi mhlambe niyokwenza malini. So ini affecta kangakanani lento leyo?
It's affecta kakhulu ngoba like amandla besayaphela.
Yeah.
Naso ubona ukuthi khona umuntu nje umane wafika wazenzela.
Yeah, kunokuthi acele.
Yeah,
abavuni bayakhinga.
Abavuni futhi kahle bavele nje badonse nje
sebamoshile.
Yeah, from the root.
Yeah.
Manje kusibulala ispirit kakhulu lo. Yeah.
So, where do you get seeds to plant? Where do you get the seeds?
OTK.
Oh no, never tell
OTK, Maika.
Okay.
Even ShopRite.
So who buys you that? Or you use the same money to go buy?
Yes.
Okay. If anyone out there wants to sponsor you, what do you want to say to people who are watching?
Esingakusho nje ukuthi siyasidinga sponsor, especially
security.
Yeah, especially security, fencing nje isibhayizisa kakhulu. Abamaya abantu bayangena bazenzele, and nenye into like akusakhoneki manje ukuthi senze i-manual labor, funeka like ama tractor.
Lento sitshalayo la le green pepper le.
Okay.
Le green pepper le ngibonayo yonke le green pepper.
Ahluka kanjani ama green pepper ngoba enye isinokuyibona bangathi iba a bit yellowish enye iba reddish.
Yeah, ikona red ikona yellow le green pepper kusuka lapha ikhona fika ngapho green pepper.
Okay.
Then usibamba lekhona le qala lapho kufika ngapha ikhona i-red pepper.
I-red pepper.
Ibese mayijika so kune line ne yellow pepper.
I-yellow pepper.
Yes.
Oh, ayahlukaniswa lama.
Yeah, ayahlukaniswa.
Lama kanje.
Ayahlukaniswa. Le ikovo le. Sayiqala this year sifuna ukutesta lo mhlabathi wethu ukuthi unjani.
Uyavuma. Ikovo yini?
Ikovo umpithu. Fana ne-spinach, is a group of spinach.
Okay.
Yeah, same group mala ashukana lama.
Sitholakala kuphi kakhulu ngoba thina sisijwayelanga phela lelo spinach leso.
Yeah, lesitholakala eZimbabwe sikhona, Mozambique, Zambia.
Okay.
Everywhere, yeah. Even la sikhona lapha ePort Elizabeth sikhona bayasidla kakhulu.
Bayasidla kakhulu.
Yeah, le irep.
Okay.
Sitholakala futhi la eZimbabwe. Even la amanye ama province bayayidla because ma seeds lawa siyawathenga la.
Okay.
Yeah. le spinach le
ayihlukanga kakhulu kunespinach.
ayihlukanga kakhulu nespinach.
Okay.
Le spinach le ngibambile le spinach le yonke spinach lapho inye le futhi lapho.
So where do you access water to
La manzi siyawathola lapha police station.
Police station ayisiza also nangamanzi ne?
Yeah, iyo basiza namanzi.
Okay.
Le irep le spring onion. Spring onion le.
Spring onion.
Yeah, spring onion. Iyaqala manje.
Ayahluka kanti ama-onion na?
Yeah, ayahlukana. Amanye ma king onion, amanye ma shallots.
Kune spring kune
spring, kune shallots.
Okay.
Kune another king onion mara color ina color red.
Okay.
Yeah. Le irep le.
Irep le. Seyikhulile kunale.
Yeah, ikhulile kunale. Le asese ma seeds la.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bese irep le ilo kanje li1 lithengisa kanjani?
Irep sithengisa nama bundle.
Yeah, 10 rand bundle. Yeah. Okay.
10 rand bundle.
Okay.
Yes.
So siphekwa kanjani? Like njengami engakaze ngisidle. Then mangifuna ukuthi ngisipheka nje bangipheka umbhido.
Yeah. Fana nokuthi mawupheka umbhido,
nopheka spinach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bona usika usifakele uqale ukufaka lamafutha lapha estofini. Lamafutha wakho mangashisa bese uyayifaka, uyayifry. Mawufuna ufaka amatamati, qala ufaka amatamati neonion bese uzoyifaka phezulu.
Uyayifry.
Yeah, uyayifry.
Isheshe ivuthwe because spinach asheshe ivuthwe thina.
Yeah, ile ishesha than spinach.
Okay.
Le ishesha uvuthwe.
All right.
Le then lapha efensini sinamatamati ngabe. Sifake amatamati lapha efensini.
Okay.
Alapha sizofaka ama green pepper busy nalapha.
Green pepper.
Sifake ama green pepper.
So i-demand eniba nayo kakhulu yini spinach nama green pepper?
Yeah, i-demand isinayo kakhulu spinach nama green pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So i-rap lena nisayi-introduce?
Yeah, sisayi-introduce because labanye abantu abayazi.
Okay.
Basabuza ukuthi yini
angisho nami yiko ngibuza kona ukuthi yini manje.
Siyabaexplainela.
Nokubona bomama bathengisayo bayibekile lapha ngithi manje mroho bani lo?
Labanye bayabuya bayicela siyabanikeza.
Okay.
Bayiteste. Lawa matamati.
Okay.
Lawa matamati, lawa flowers. Abuyisa le news ukuthi
pollination.
Yeah.
Inyosi zenza
it's like zenza le fruits libe na more taste and konje.
Explain kahle. Let's start afresh. I don't know. Are you saying njoba nitshalo so nitshalele blomu because linceda ukuthi le itshalo zeni zibe like njengala matamati abane taste?
Ziba ne taste, i-quantity nayo iba more because angithi niyazi ukuthi inyosi ziya pollinate.
Yeah.
So the more kuba neinyosi ezibhayi, the more ama fruits nawo aba more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Plant labor is borage.
Oh, the name of this plant is borage.
Yeah, it's actually a herb.
It's a herb.
Seeds for many things.
Okay.
Yeah. Depends on the oil, now. Yeah. I want my seeds.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the flower lily, it's actually edible. While for my salad.
Wow. So the herb nje.
Yeah, it's now when you're a vegetarian.
So nje ukwalidla wena le flower?
Yeah.
Asifuna ukudla into ongakazi uyidle sithi. Earlier on, njengoba ni-3 umuyini site lakhe. How do you divide the sites and also to help each other on those sides or umuntu focus ku site lakhe?
Yeah, especially umuntu focus ku side lakhe mala makune problems siyasizana.
Okay.
Like le ndawo le yonke lapho kuqala bekune 27 ama beds.
Okay.
Bese sa divided by 9.
Okay.
Yeah. Lo nguye saqala kumgruma ukuthi aqale kuziyenzela because ngibona ukuthi une potential.
Okay.
So na aqala kugruma lo this guy.
Yeah.
so waqala ne-side lakhe leli bet ne-9 beds suka lapha efensini la
Yeah.
fika ngale phezulu.
Okay.
Then munye uqala ngapha ngasala naye wathi safuna ukufunda kancane. Yeah, ngathi no problem. Ngachubeka naye futhi lo. Bese ngamgruma futhi this year. So yena une side lakhe.
Okay.
Mina ngine side lami lapha. Lo une side lakhe le.
Okay.
Yeah. Mara mina and then I decide ukuthi yazini side lami ngathi line workload ebhayi. Ngase ngithi no since yena ana more experience. Akaphinda thathe enye piece.
Okay.
Because sifuna like a project yethu ibonakale kahle. Yeah.
Like wabona lapho le side le. Lapho kune peak lapho.
Yeah.
Yeah, yilo le side le bekanako. So sengicala ngapha sengifuna ukuthi ngiclear lapha la indleleni ukuthi kuboneke kahle ya.
Alright.
Yena azoqala lapha aqhubeke ngayo.
So actually you enjoy what you're doing kahle kahle.
Yeah.
This is home for you now.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
You find joy in what you're doing.
Exactly.
Yeah, no. It's peace. No guys, it was nice, doing an interview and you can just nivalilise lana ku hot and fresh.
Yeah, siyabonga dope hot and fresh.
Yes.
Ukuthi nize nizos interviewer. Siyabonga kakhulu man. Like ama opportunity I saw askasi and we're really grateful.
Yeah, dope open fresh. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu mabuya unsibuza lo mas interview la. Siyajabula ukuthi sinabantu basicabangela nama project la siyenzawo. So tizoqhubeka sifundise amanye amajita lama elokisheni sikale sibachele siba invite la abafunde ukuthi le farming I right bangahlali lamakhaya bahlalela ama bridgeini hlale ba busy kunjonja ba busy nekunjonja bangafuni ukusebenza bakhalela umsebenzi ti government ayikhona ukusinikeza umsebenzi mala lo msebenzi ukhona mhlaba sinawo sikhona ukuthi sisebenze labangakhona ukusebenza siyabafundisa like labafana la ngabafundisa manje ngiyajabula ukuthi bayafuna ukuthi bafunde so ngijabulela lokho so siyabonga kakhulu. This vegetable mawufuna uyipheka uyayisika lama piece wakho amancane mawuqeda bese uyafaka lamafutha lapha epotweni amafutha wakho makachisa bese uyawufaka that is mawufuna ukufry sikhona izindlela ziningi sekuyipheka nazo le i-first method yokufrya uqala ukufaka amafutha bese uyayifaka uyayifrya just some minutes less than 10 minutes iyavuthwa mawufuna ukufaka amatamatisi uqala kufaka namatamati nama onion bese uzoyifaka yona phezulu uyayifry uyayimixa bese uyayivala ulinde some 2 minutes or 3 minutes bese uyangena futhi uyihlanganise then after some 15 to 20 minutes seyiba right. Mawufuna ukuyifaka inyama yakho mayivuthiwa mawuceda kufaka namatamati neonion bese uyasika le recipe yakho amaphisi amancane bese uyayifaka phakathi hlanganise nenyama sesiyafutha.
Dope hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.